Hey beauties, so these are the nails that we'll be doing for today's video. I call them the double French, and if you guys want to see how I did them, please continue watching. So the first thing that we want to do, I already prepped my nails and I applied them off camera. Now I'm going in with my scissors to cut the nails to the desired length. After doing this, I'll then take my emery board to straighten up the nails, the tip of the nails, the side of the nails, just to ensure that I have a perfect shape before going in with my acrylic. I don't usually do this because I find that I will file at the end of the day anyway, so it's just a lazy habit of mine, but it still turned out good. So don't follow me if you are doing this professionally, meaning in terms of if you're doing this on somebody, please follow through with the steps. Don't cut out no steps unless you're good, okay? And the client can trust you. If it's a client that you don't know, don't do this. Shape up the nails. So today's design is a new design. I have not done it before. I have envisioned it, but this is my first time attempting it on my nails, and I felt like instead of me going hard and go home, I need to go short and go hard if that makes any sense. So I call them the double French because it's kind of somewhat double. Yeah, I don't know how else to explain it, because it has the pink and it has a white and it has pink and it has white. Yes, that's how I picture it. So I'm going in with Extreme Fling from Glamour Nails. Also, these tips are from Glamour Nails. Also, these are the clear coffin nails. These are the regular clear coffin nails that I'll be using for today's video, and I'll be going in with Extreme Pink from Glamour Nails, as I said before. So there are 3 things that I did differently in today's video to get the most perfect smile line ever. So 1 is that I changed my brush to a smaller brush. 2, I use a much smaller bead, and 3, I entered from a different position on the nail. Usually I go from the front, now I'm going from the side. So after I applied that 3 steps, there was a lot less to be done on the nail, especially when it comes on to filing. After I did such an awesome job with the smile line, the very first go of the smile line, I did not do a lot of filing, which I was very proud of, because usually when I did it the other way, I'll be doing a lot of filing, and sometimes this is the part that just takes up a lot of your time when it comes down to filing, especially when you want the smile line to be as neat as possible. So if you follow these 3 steps, sis, it will work fine for you. I mean, if you do great with a bigger brush, then that's fine also, but I find that changing my brush to a smaller brush and working with smaller beads, it got the job done. So I'll take my emery board to sharpen up around the smile line, because I already did a well done job and the filing was not necessary at this point, but I felt like it needed a little bit of a sharpening up. So I'll do this on all the rest of the nails. So now I'm going in with my white acrylic, placing it up against the smile line, ensuring that there's not a lot of product that I need to go in with a lot of filing afterwards. So I want to ensure that it's just thick enough for me to make any form of adjustments to the white. So I'll do this to all of the nails, and then I'll go in with the emery board once again to sharpen up the white. So when you're doing your sharpening up of the white, ensure that you remove the top layer of the white off the pink, because you don't want it to be a case where you do finish everything and then you go in with the filing. That is going to be a lot of work. So ensure that as you apply, you remove, and it will be an easy process. You don't have to do the added filing. So these are the nails after I was through with applying the white. Now I'll be going in with extreme pink once again and adding another layer of pink. So I'll repeat this method once again. So the motion is quite repetitive. It's not something that is extreme, but it's not something that you see on a regular basis. It's somewhat time consuming, hence why I did not do it on long nails, because I'll be here forever. So I attempted on short nails and the results were great. So now I'll go in with my e-file, trying to remove the bulk of the product off the nail, but the e-file wasn't doing me justice, so I had to switch back to my emery board to remove the rest of the product off the nail. And after doing that, I will then take my e-file once again, the sanding bit, and go around the cuticles. This is just the finishing aspect of the nail. This is when I use the e-file to ensure that I finalize everything, the nails are properly sealed to somewhat aspect. And then I'll go in with my buffing block. I buff the nails, wash my hands, and then I'll come and I will top coat the nails, add some bling, and then I'll cure for the 60 seconds all the cuticles, and you know what comes next. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at BareBeautyServices. And if you guys want to see short clips of me doing these type of nails, definitely follow me on TikTok. I hope you guys find this video, did I say this? I hope you guys find this video very informative, and I'll see you guys in the next video.